Shipping took a while, but it came fine, works great. He received this graphics card the days early, which is great, thanks Amazon. And it went into my AMD X64, Ubuntu 16.04 Corsair CC90110228 WW Obsidian Series 350 DKzen Asus F2A8 5e Pro Motherboard AMD A85X FCH, DDR3, SATA 600, MATX, 1X SATA, 4X USB 3.0, Socket FM2, System without a problem, and worked immediately. I can only imagine the technical shenanigan and license issue if it had been a Windows system. The resolution is excellent and it runs the 2 Dell Ultrasharp U273HM 27-inch premier color IPS LED monitor beautifully, super fast and without any of the screen or artifact issue so with the MSI AMD Radeon R9 396 gaming graphics card it replaced. The only problem I have experienced is an intermittent ticking, which seems to be coming from one or more of the fan. I'll give it a few days and see if it settles down. If not, no doubt Amazon will look after me as they always do. A few hours later and the ticking was has completely stopped, so whatever it was, it is no more. With graphics cards still holding a high price in 2019 this card is very well priced for great performance. Whilst it currently doesn't sit at the top of the class it does get very high benchmark score and has impressive capabilities. It does take both a 6.1 and 8 PCIe power supply, so make sure you have the right connection. Enough is enough with overpriced GPU. He went for the best card he could get for under 200 livres and I think he got one. Sure, it's not going to do 4K and just about makes un 440p playable but who cares. Very pleased with this card. Massive performance gain over my 276. Was a bit worried that my anti-coated FX8350/4. 7 GHz would cause a bottleneck, but everything seems fine. Getting 60 FPS on high ultra in most games, the performance gain is much higher than expected. All at 080p of course, which is what he wanted, wouldn't buy this and expect to game at anything higher, unless you're happy to compromise on the visual setting. Got the card for 195 livres BTW, probs would have got a GTX 1060 GB for its current price. I don't do gaming but he had to buy a graphics card since the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X, which is the CPU that he wanted to go with my Aorus X 570 master motherboard, does not have inbuilt graphics. So, he bought the Sapphire Radeon Nitro Plus RX 588 GB, which he don't consider to be overly expensive. He received a free game out of the deal so perhaps my grandchildren, when they visit, may appreciate it. ITS a large card, takes a tad over 2 spaces, in fact it partially covers the second of the Monsieur de slots, so there may be problems for some of you there. Also, the length TH of the card, I-avant and ZX TH440 Red, Black Mid Tower case and ITS just got enough breathing room to insert the card correctly. This was the other difficulty he had, it might be just me, I've just turned 65 years of age, bit of a tremor in my hands, but he had a bit of a problem lining up the card correctly with the first PCIe slot. He knew he was nearly there because all the various display ports were lined up correctly out of the back of my PC, it was just to make sure that the card was aligned correctly with the Croisillon 1 PCIe lane, that took a little while to judge, but he got there in the end. Power cables going in, 6 pins plus 8 pins, again took time but then he have a bucket Dark Power Pro 11850W fully modular and the cabling that comes with that is thick and not very yielding. However, apart from all the trial and tribulation of an old man, I do have plenty of experience when it comes to building my own rigs. This is my set th, and probably last, the card worked at it, no adjustment necessary, straight out of the box, great graphics, excellent picture on my Dell S271. ITS en excellent purchase for anybody who is looking to buy an affordable but very good graphics card. Your browser does not support HTML5 video. Looking to replace an older AMD 280 graphics card, I was looking to do more my HP Envy 860000 na, including some video editing. I was also changing my monitors. Mounting should have been relatively easy, but the card is much bigger than my previous one. So it was a tight squeeze and required some cable management. On seen, the card was up and running with no problems at all and I've seen a significant increase the performance. I'm using the XViewSonic 32 Quad HD monitors, www, Amazon. Co. UK, GP, Product, B0787XMLZQ, ref égale au-search-asyn-title, IE égale UTF-8 Esperluette PSC égale 1. Given the price, this is really great value for money. After 7 years of being overclocked and heavily used, my HD 7905 GB finally passed away. It was a sad moment, but with no graphics card, I had to find a replacement. After some research to bring myself up to speed with the current market, a few cards matched my performance requirement, within my price bracket. A little more research and the RX 588 GB seemed to be the card to get. It then boiled down to design of the card. A my PC HAS a blue theme and discard HAS color changing LED on board, this seemed an obvious choice. The additional second BIOS for slightly more processing power also swayed me. So far, no issue. Easy to install, driver were straight from the AMD website and the included fan can be easily swapped out, which is another bonus. Fan failure doesn't mean card failure. The card itself runs smoothly, rarely stutters in-game, I usually run all in ultra or equival setting. The fan on the card come on during higher temperatures. At idle the card is silent and HAS a tiny power draw. Wouldn't hesitate to recommend this card. Asterisk update 31 July not found anything this card struggles with yet. Still working strong. Would recommend. Flawless GPU. Just purchased a second one for partners PC after having noise, overheating issue with their MSI RX 580 Armor. This card runs so much cooler and quieter it really does make all the difference, also doesn't bend, flop when installed like cheaper cards on the market. Installed it within minutes and only needed to update graphics driver to get it working, well recommended and only 179 livres at time of purchase. Nice GPU and super fast shipping like have my stuff fast thanks. Click link in description for more reviews.